Welcome back everyone. I hope you're all doing really well and that you're having a wonderful festive December so far. If you're new to my channel, my name is Hannah, also known as Tropical Plant Addict, and I create content on cool climate tropical style gardening, home decor and exotic houseplants. Today I am going to be showing you some of my new Christmas decor. I've kind of kept the same theme as last year, which was like a woodland, kind of rustic, quite neutral theme, but I have got a few new decorations, so I'll be showing you those. And I'll also show you how I integrate my Christmas decor and my houseplants together. I'm also going to be rescaping the biOrb, which you can see in the corner behind me. It's been a little bit neglected over this past year, so it's definitely due a rescape, so I'm going to be doing that on camera for you. I also need to add some festive decor to the dining table. Let me know in the comments what you think and let me know what theme you've gone for this year with your Christmas decor, and hope you enjoy the video. Here's the selection of plants that I've chosen to add to the biOrb, which I picked up from one of my local garden centres. We've got a little Tradescantia here. I have had one of these before. They're really pretty, little pop of colour. I've got a little Enjoy. Again, I think I'm growing one of these somewhere else in the house, I believe. And we've got a couple of Fittonia in different colours. I also picked up a couple of cyclamen in different colours. I have never grown these before, but apparently they do appreciate humid conditions, so hopefully they'll enjoy the humidity in the biOrb. And I thought this was a really pretty colour, and then I got a bright pink one as well, in a bit of a larger size. Also picked up a little crocodile fern, and then a couple of succulent plants. Can't remember what it's called, I've never grown this before either. I will try and plant these a bit higher up in the biOrb where they're not going to be getting as much water. I've never grown these before, I just thought they looked really interesting. I've also got a selection of wood and biOrb ornaments to dot around the plants. I think I've pretty much given up with putting moss in there. It always looks lovely to begin with, and then after a while it just goes really brown, so I have given up with the moss. As you can see, the ferns are doing really well in there. That started off as one or two small plants and they have multiplied, so I will be removing some of those. I'll be keeping the ivy. I'll keep the air plants in there. I've also got a few other plants in there that I'll probably keep in there. There's a pink splash in there somewhere, buried. So I hope you enjoy the rescaping of the biOrb. As I said, it has been very neglected and it is looking a bit wild, so I'm really looking forward to seeing the transformation. biOrb is looking so much better. I'm really pleased with how it's turned out. I'll keep you posted on how the plants are doing. It does take them a little while to settle in, so it will look better probably in a few weeks, but I'll keep you posted on that. And in regards to Christmas decor, this was one of the new bits that I picked up this year. This lovely rustic pheasant. Picked this up from one of my local garden centres. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put that just yet, but once I've decorated the table and completely finished setting up all the Christmas decorations, I'll do a little tour. This year I also picked up this really cute little bird box. Thought that would go really well with the woodland theme on the tree. This year my boyfriend also picked me up some decorations. He bought me a set of these trees. There's 3 of them in the set and they're all different colours and they're solid wood. So they look really nice and rustic and go really well with the theme. There's also a couple of decorations that I didn't show you last year. One of them being this little partridge and also this little one. There was also a few decorations that I got as presents last year for Christmas. I've got this little jellycat Brussels sprout, super cute. I've got quite a lot of jellycats in my collection now. Also this really cute gingerbread house. He looks so cute there sat on the sofa. I've also got some more new jellycats upstairs. I've got the candy cane and the poinsettia as well. This mistletoe garland's also new, which I decided to hang from one of the grow lights. I've also got another one in the kitchen. And then these baubles up here, I think I got these in the sale last year, so these are also new as well. I picked up this nutcracker for my boyfriend, as I know he really wanted one. Personally, I find them a little bit ugly and a bit garish, to be honest. But I managed to find a kind of rustic looking one made out of wood. Got this from HomeSense. So it does fit in with the decor, which is nice. This was a gift from last year. I'm not sure if it's meant to be a plant pot, but that's what I've turned it into and I think it looks really nice. Fits in with the decor. I've got my alocasia black velvet in that one. I've had this plant for absolutely years. It's never gone dormant, which is quite surprising as that's quite common with these plants, but it seems quite happy. So over the next few days I'm going to finish setting up all my Christmas decorations and then I will film a little tour for you of how it's all looking.